welcome back to another flipping episode. So in today's vlog, I'm going to upcycle 2 of my dresses that I haven't worn for a while now since the first time I worn them. This tutorial is just gonna be quick and I'm gonna be doing voiceover all throughout. And this vlog is gonna be like a Ruffle edition kind of vlog because I'm gonna be doing ruffling. And if you want to learn more about ruffling, please keep on watching. So without further ado, let's start flipping.
For this makeover, you'll need your tape measure, pen, scissors, and marker. First, I'm gonna go ahead and measure 12 inches for the length of the dress. Then I'm gonna pin just right above the marks to make sure that the dress is in place and cut. Then I will remove the button from the fabric that we cut and set aside because we will use this fabric in making the ruffles. Next is I'm going to measure the strap length of the dress and use the measurement that I got to measure the length of the ruffles. And what I do is I multiply it by 2 to have more ruffles. And I just measure 2 inches for the width of the ruffles. Cut the fabric, then proceed to sewing. Make sure to adjust your machine to low because we just need a loose stitch for this. Then pull the thread on the top to make the ruffles. Continue ruffling it until the length matches the length of the strap. Then attach it to the strap. And for the last step, sew the hemline of the dress by folding half an inch. Next up is this blue dress, and just like the white one, I just measured 12 inches for the length. Using the fabric that I cut out from the dress, I'm gonna measure 4 inches for the width of the ruffles, and for the length of the ruffles, I just used the original length of the fabric. The more fabric you have, the greater the ruffle is. Then proceed to ruffling, and after that, attach it to the dress and you're done! How fast and easy was that?
Come and fly away with me. 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 Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You